No! Fuck you. No, you have to do this shit.
Okay, you really
this.
Alright. We're gonna explain Birds and the Bees today.
By the way, I'm Cordell.
This is men. The almighty men.
Men. We
don't have a female here, but for example...
Female.
No. Female. This is how the Birds and the Bees happen.
Oh, this video really sucks.
For example, Adam.
That's one thing.
Eve.
That's definitely men.
Anyway, we don't have a tree here. I'm the tree. Tree. Ow, no.
Why is Adam by your junk?
Adam took an apple from the forbidden garden. Forbidden garden, okay? He comes along. Like, what the fuck, Adam? I don't know how this represents the birds and the bees, but this should be issued in all the 8th grade classes of sex ed and that fucking crazy health teacher and shit. Alright, if he had signs like this, he might have got fired. But to be honest, women's are backward, okay. I think words in general just understand.
Exactly. It's called a mirror.
Okay, we're gonna have to look at this one again. Okay. Alright. This really doesn't look right. Why doesn't this look right at all?
Because it's a fucking mirror.
Okay, hey. Birds and bees are over. Men, woman, have sex, baby. We don't have a baby fight. Imagine him the baby. Done.